are here with the family right now. Oh, this is what, oh look what perfect timing. So I guess these are all over.
It's like when you're in Hollywood, you know, like the Walk of Fame. This is the history.
Yeah, so we just made it to DC and go ahead on, do it. And I'm with P. Diddy.
Be me.
Puff Daddy right now. But we're on our way to the White House because I've never seen it before. And we're on our way then to Virginia. But this is Labor Day weekend and there's a lot of people here. Another one. So yeah, we're just casually walking.
Yeah. This is the White House. But it's, look.
Mom, where is it?
Look at the side. Look at the side. The White House. Where's the big dome?
That's what I said, it's so tiny.
Where is it? But it doesn't look anything. They're doing fence replacement right now.
No, not even. It has nothing to do with a fence.
No, that says fence replacement.
No, but it has nothing to do with a fence. Like, that does not look...
That must be the back of the White House. Like,
oh, you think we're looking at the back?
yeah, I don't think that's the front.
So wait, we looked up a picture of the White House and it looks like that, right? And then we're in front of that. Because look, this is what the White House is supposed to look like.
Don't look nothing like that.
That's not it. We're going over debate on if that's really the White House. Because my mom just Googled a picture and it looks nothing like that White House. I think we're in the backyard.
So it's on the other side?
I think so.
They got something up saying they're replacing a fence.
But that has nothing to do with it. Like, I think we're like everyone's taking pictures. I think of the back of the White House. And then there's like protesters over here and stuff. But there's like mad people.
It is. Why did I think it had a dome?
Really? So where's the rest? Where's that other picture?
They remodeled it. Where's the dollar?
Yeah, they got a crank. Where's the dollar bill, y'all? Susie Banks.
Susie Banks. And where's the dollar
Dollar
bill,
bill,
y'all? My mom's nickname now is Susie Banks. She got bags of money. Like, I honestly feel like houses in New York are bigger than this.
That's why he doesn't live here.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say. That's probably why he doesn't live here.
Oh, that's the treasury. See, that's the treasury.
Oh, so we're looking at the look at this dollar bill, y'all. So we are looking at the wrong building. But I totally get why Trump doesn't live in the White House. But we should take a picture in front of it. And there is the Washington Monument. I have to let you know. Ta-da! By the way, we only came out here because of me. Sorry, guys. And for a quick moment, can we talk about this hair? After going to Diva Curl, she is a new woman. I love them, Taylor. We just finished looking at the White House and it was not impressive whatsoever.
I don't even know why we came here.
Because I thought it was going to be bigger and like a bigger moment or something and like seeing all the monuments, but
Watch too much TV.
I think we need to go to the museum. So next time we come back, we're going to go to the museum. It is!
It's a sign, we ain't coming back.
So next time we come back, bottom line, we're going to go to the museum, so I wouldn't recommend just like, I mean, we drove through because like, why not? We're on our way to Virginia. We're excited. But it's hot out here and I can't wait to go in a hotel and shower.
Sounds good.
Because this drive is crazy.
You're not driving.
Jonathan is. Thanks, honey. But I'm with my family, as always. This is where I want to go. Look, fried chicken sandwiches. That is so messed up. You see that in front? They have like a little... Oh my God, I want to go there. Look at all these food trucks. Oh, that's what Jayla's talking about. How they have so many food trucks in DC. That looks very pretty.
There's more, look.
Oh shoot, they're blocking my pictures.
Americans in the Holocaust.
Oh, and I want to go here. Look. The Holocaust Museum.
I just want you to peep how the African Museum had a crown.
They had a fried chicken stand like inside of the museum. It's kind of cool, but I hope it's like the best fried chicken. Oh, shut up! Look, Jay. Wow. Ooh. That was a noise, Mom. So right now I'm tired. I'm actually getting tired right now. But trying to see if we can get into our room right now and then freshen up so that we can go see my cousin's new home. So we're just chilling in the car. Just went to Target, hence the bag right there. Johnny?
What's up?
Hi. I'm tired. I'm breaking out. Mom? How's your trip so far?
It's been an amazing, safe ride, and we're here.
Yes. Taylor? What to do, baby? All you do in my videos is just wave. Hi. Hello. Yeah, so we just wait here. Yay. And this is our room. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. This is literally what I thought of in my head of what it would look like. Is it two bathrooms?
No, you will get no argument from me.
Look like if you put the stove next to the refrigerator.
It's so nice in here. Look, we have our own area. How you doing? This drive was a lot and my face broke out. But look, I mean, it's just a bathroom. I think my sister has the suite, but we have a full-blown closet in here. Who knew? Killa Virginia while Johnny knocks out Taylor in her bedroom. This is Taylor's suite. Taylor has her own suite. Go into Shawnee's house. Oh, yeah, let's go. Woo! Oh, she's a wreath. We are at my cousin's house and we lit up where we got these lanterns and we're gonna light them up for my dad and my grandma at her new home. And it's like a lot, so there's a whole bunch of building. I know you really can't see me. Oh, you can see me this way. But yeah, so we're gonna light them up right now and it's gonna be so nice. And it's a big, beautiful blessing, right? Cuckoo! It's gonna be so pretty. Shawnee!
It's so dark. The first time we're dark for a photo.
Wait, we're coming to light. We're coming to light. We're coming to light. This is what I'm looking at. What are you doing? Oh, Shawnee, there we go. Shawnee. Woohoo!
Hey, you can do it right here.
Where is Jonathan?
Mark almost 1 year of Grandma Hayden's death. She is somebody who instilled belief in all of us for love, respect, God, and family. There's a reason why we're all here, and it's because of her. We instill our values in the things that she's taught our parents and that our parents have taught us, which is what makes us so close. It's so wonderful. Yes. In addition to that, we have lost so many other great people along with us this year that we just want to pay homage to and respect to and love to and continue to carry on their memory and their name through each of us individually as we spread love and as we light these tributes to them to the sky, okay? So everybody.
Wait, my dad.
Yeah,
We have to shout out my dad.
shout out to Uncle Bobby.
Sorry. Woo! I saw it, Shawnee.
Yeah, that's it. That's, oh my God.
You saw that, right?
Yes.
You saw that, right?
Yeah.
I'm going down.
I don't know. Can we get in a car and kind of like,
There's one that went down.
there's one that went down. Can we get in a car and kind of like just go through the back over there?
They all say like watch the house, but there's nothing like, there's no way to control like
The wind?
it. I think we're good. I didn't see a fire.
Let me see if I can go in that direction.
Babe, I don't think it did anything.
No, I was going down.
We'll find out later, I guess.
Yes. Homemade.
You made that, Kelly?
Yeah.
Very cute. So cute.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. This morning we are at HomeGoods, and we are gonna finish off our trip here. And yeah, we got a late checkout, which is great. And we are with my sister Andrea. I don't know what she's getting, but we're gonna have fun, even though we can't fit anything in the truck, which sucks, on our way back. This is our grand finale, because I've never been in here, and I always see people post about it. So, we don't have this in New York, and we need one in New York. So, let's go. Whoa. You have never been to a at-home in your life? This is a factory.
$9. Do you see this?
You just bought one stool for like $70, and it was like a piece of wood on sticks, but beautiful. It was beautiful. This is crazy.
This is sick.
It's everything you want in a store. Cheap prices, Andrea, everything, every chair is $29.
What the heck?
Look how beautiful this leather up here.
$29?
Oh my God.
$29.
Andrea,
I just wasted so much money.
$24.
What?
What in the actual?
What in the
F.
at-home is this?
What in the actual at-home? I love these.
The height on this, and it's gray.
Can we get a? Wait, why is this? And we're only in the chair department, guys. Like this is.
Oh my gosh. This is so comfortable.
This is like real reaction in the moment. What is happening? Okay.
Why didn't I buy this? Why didn't I in the store?
We're gonna stay here for a couple more minutes, hours, and then we're gonna go to the next department. This is nuts. Let's guess the price of each item. How much? Wait, you have to guess. You can't look at the price.
I want to know.
Anj.
$20.
All right, now check. 29. I think everything in here is $29.99, honestly. For literally every personality is like, they have what you want here. I can't believe I'm this like in shock about a store. Like, this could be my favorite store I've ever been to, and I love like Hobby Lobby. This is so nice. Look how nice this is, and it fits like our behinds.
I know.
Mom, what are your thoughts right now?
I don't know where else to look. I mean, every time I turn around, it takes me an hour to walk down one aisle.
It's literally like my mom's heaven right now. So lately yeah, I thought of that too, but then I was like, it's like shiny, but yeah.
A little bit of glitz too.
Lately I've been into a lot of this, like, I want to say like tribe, African, like mood. I don't know, when I saw these pieces I was like, it reminds me of it, but it's not really it, but like it's like this. is gorgeous. I'm looking for this brown, like that brown red, but not too red, but more brown rust. I know, I'm very like, my colors are very, my description of them are special, but comforter for my new bedroom. The store is, it's inspiring. It's very, oh my gosh, these pieces, like, I mean, I never painted like this or drew like this, but when I was in art school, like this is what we always used to do in class, like all the time. So seeing these pieces, it's like maybe I should just like start drawing stuff and like to bring in like the texture, the tone, the charcoal, that energy. Like this right here, literally we used to paint these all the time in art class. So I have to say that this store came at the perfect timing because I'm redoing my room, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm getting mad inspo, and I'm really glad that I came here. So, I know my eyes are like all over the place. It's so nice. Okay, so we're at the point where like we probably should check out of our hotel. We got late checkout again. I've been getting really good with this late checkout every time I stay at a hotel, but I am looking for my mom and my sister, and I can't find them anywhere, and the store is so big, and none of them answer their phones. Like, it's the worst. So, clearly they're not staring at pillows, but this is the way I look for my mom. I call her, she doesn't answer her phone, but you hear that loud ring.
Where are you?
Oh, she answered. Where are you?
I'm in the aisle, the first aisle by the wall art and decor. Well, where are you?
I'm coming.
Oh, where are you?
No, I'm coming. Don't move. There she is. But we found one. We found two. All right, we're done. We are on our way to pick up the family. And it was such a great trip. Oh yeah.
Hello, Ms. Rooster, Kelly Rooster.